Hello and welcome to another lecture in Argo CD Declarative Kit of CD for Kubernetes course by techlatents.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview, objectives, then what is Argo CD, key features of Argo CD, benefits of Argo CD, setup and installation of Argo CD on various cloud platform including AWS, GCP and Azure. Then we had covered overview of Argo CD user interface. Now in this lecture we'll talk about application deployment using Argo CD. Basically, the application sync, application health, role-based access control, RBAC, and continuous deployment. So you all know about that Argo CD is a tool for basically GitOps continuously tool for Kubernetes. It enables developer to deploy application to Kubernetes by using Git as a single source of truth. It automatically monitors the Kubernetes cluster and ensures that the application are always in sync with the desired states defined in the Git. Okay, so let's go on our Argo CD user interface. We have already explained about the Argo CD user interface in our previous lecture. So you can watch our previous lecture for user interface of Argo CD. So what we have to do, click on new app option, and here you can see the all the things like application name, application project name, sync policy, then source URL, then revision, cluster, and everything. Everything here you can see. I have one simple web application. Basically, is a image editor tool that is made of JavaScript. Okay, so I have to deploy this on Argo CD interface. So give a application name like PG admin. Then your project name is something like you can give PG admin or any default name, depends on you. Then you can give the sync policy. I'm giving manual. Then here you can see the source of the repository URL. So here you can copy the URL of the repository uh, and then paste here. Then here you can see the Git and option, and then you can also see the Helm option. So you can also connect with the Helm. Then here you can see the revision option, which is head and path. You can give simple dot here. Then here you can see the cluster URL. So it is Kubernetes.default SBC. This is the URL. You can give any namespace or blank, leave blanket. So this depends on you. Here you can see that we have already given everything. Here you can see the application name, the project name is, and then sync policy, source repository URL, then revision, branches and everything. Then here you can see the cluster URL, which is a destination. Then what we have to do next? Now we have to click on create button. Okay. So if you click on create button, then here you can see the PG admin option that the project is default status is healthy and synced repository is this, then target is this, the destination is in cluster. If you click on sync, then here you can see that synchronized application manifest from uh, this repository. Then what we have to do, if you refresh this, then here you can see the health status is unknown, progressing, then suspend, then healthy is done, then degraded, missing. Okay, and here you can see the sync status is unknown, synced and out of sync. So if you click on this, then here you can see the PG admin, and then here you can find about the project is default cluster, then created repo URL, then target revision. Your status is healthy, that is very good. Health is also healthy. Then here you can see the enable auto sync. So they can also enable auto sync. Then if you click on parameters, so this is the parameter manifest. Then here you can find about the manifest. Then if you click on events, so you can find about the events here. Okay, so your application health is healthy and your sync status is synced to head. Then here you can find about the sync status, different details. If you click on detail, then you can find about the detail. Then if you like refresh it, then it will refresh. Then here you can see the sync process is done and your application health status is healthy. And here you can find about this PG admin. If you want to like delete this, then you can delete from here. Then if you want to refresh it, then refresh from here. Okay. Then if you click on this, then here you can find about all the things, then the details and other stuff. Then we'll also cover the Helm part in our other videos. Okay, if you click on health, then you can clear this progressing and other stuff. Then if you click on again sync, then this will sync. the you can see a lot of things like sync option, schema validation and other things, because this is just like a single application, and it is only have front end. Okay, we have also deployed some backend stuff in this Argo CD, and then you can see a lot of this like PG admin and other things. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture, and like I hope you guys clear like how to deploy apps on Argo CD user interface. That's all about this lecture. And yep, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium, because on Medium we will post daily stuff regarding blogs and other things. So yep, bye bye. We will meet in next video. TechLetest.net help businesses adopt new technologies by providing products and services for asserting, learning, and mastering latest technology. If you click products and support page, so you can find a lot of categories like AI, blockchain, DevOps, developer tools, data analytics, and business. Then if you check the AWS marketplace of TechLatest.net, so you can find a lot of amazing products on latest technology. Same for GCP and same for Azure. So we have all products on all the three cloud platforms: AWS, GCP, Azure. You can also check out our blog page on Medium. We have write a lot of amazing stuff on blog. Then you can also check up our Udemy page. We have provide a lot of courses on latest technology, and same here on YouTube. So all are free. So that's all about the tech.